Hello, my name's Erwin. I'm a Pinoy radiologist and an AI enthusiast. MedGemma 1.5 just dropped. What is it and why does it matter? Number one, it's free. Number two, it's small. It's an AI that can run on your local computer. You don't tend to leak your data to the cloud, so it's private. Finally, number four, it's multimodal. It can read images like X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs, and finally draft reports. But will it take my job? So here are 3 ways I've been exploring the use of MedGemma 1.5 from easy, intermediate, to advanced. Number 1. Easy mode, the local AI chatbot. Running MedGemma 1.5 as my own personal radiology chatbot that can answer questions and give differentials. Good enough? But I don't want my AI to be in a separate window. I want it fully integrated into my workflow, fully context-aware of my radiology report, my radiology notes, or even my PDF articles in radiology. So on to number 2, intermediate, radiology integrated developer environment. Here I'm using MedGemma 1.5 in VS Code. It can double-check my reports for more than just grammar. It can check for consistency. Ever write reports with numerous findings, either on the left or on the right? MedGemma can double-check that the laterality of findings are consistent throughout the report. No more hypoechoic focus is seen on the right, but your impression says renal cyst on the left. But MedGemma is still stuck in my computer. I want full access to the internet. I want access to Google Gemini. So on to number 3, the Agentic workflow from MedGemma to Gemini. Here I'm using Google ADK to set up a sequential Agentic workflow. I send an image to MedGemma. It analyzes the image and classifies it as either emergency, abnormal, or normal, and then drafts a report. It then sends its output to a second AI agent running Gemma, which filters only the key information needed that can be safely shared to the cloud. It then prepares the actual email with subject and body, and hands this off to a final AI agent running Google Gemini. Gemini now handles the integration with an MCP server and finally sends the email. After sending numerous emails, you can filter your inbox as emergency, abnormal, or normal, effectively creating an AI-driven triage system. Finally, the best part about this, it only took one guy to set this up. One radiologist, bridging the gap between privacy and ability, from MedGemma to Google Gemini. So will AI replace us? Not if we learn it first. So check out my GitHub repo below if you want to find out more. Let's build our own AI agents, starting with MedGemma 1.5.